Alright guys, what I have here is my 2003 Chevy Silverado. It needs a lot of work. Needs a lot of work.
Say, feel that bass. We gon' shake up this place. Say, pick up that pace. Yeah, we got no time to waste. Everybody say, feel that bass. Yeah, we gon' shake up this place. Pick up that pace. We got no time to waste. Say, dreams to chase. Yeah, we ain't losing this race. Say, we got faith. We know what it's gonna take. Ain't nobody gotta do for me what I do when I do it so beautifully. All I gotta stay is true to me. Yeah, stay winning is a mood to me. Hey, ain't nobody gotta do for me. Yep, what I do when I do it so beautifully. All I gotta stay is true to me. Say what? Stay winning is a mood to me. Hey, I said. Shake up this place. Say pick up that pace. We got no time to waste. That pace. We gon' shake up this place. Pick up that pace. We got no time to waste. Ain't nobody gotta do for me what I do when I do it so beautifully. All I gotta stay is true to me. Yep, stay winning is a mood to me. Hey, ain't nobody gotta do for me. Yep, what I do when I do it so beautifully. All I gotta stay is true to me. Yep, stay winning is a mood to me. Hey, I said feel that bass.
Alright, so I got it in there. I kind of broke the seal on the grease, so I don't know, I might have to replace it in a year or two, but I think it's gonna work. And like I said, this seems much bigger than the old one, and it's very tricky to get in here, so get ready to muscle it in. Just be prepared for that. You might have to cut out the old one, unless you just want to take these off, but I didn't feel like doing all that. It's easy as I could. So it's 6 bolts and 1 wheel lug, or the hub, whatever, hub nut, whatever you call it. And yeah, just put the wheel back on. And that's that. Hopefully this video helped you, because I sure as hell learned a little bit myself. Have a good one. Say, feel that bass. We gon' shake up this place. Say, pick up that pace. Yeah, we got no time to waste. Everybody say, feel that bass. Yeah, we gon' shake up this place. Pick up that pace. We got no time to waste. Say, dreams to chase. Yeah, we ain't losing this race. Say, we got faith. We know what it's gonna take. Ain't nobody gotta do for me what I do when I do it so beautifully. All I gotta stay is true to me.